this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
And Lana Wynn.
And welcome to our latest listing in Berryessa. We're at 527 Rainwell Drive in San Jose.
This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a bonus bedroom. Also, it's 1146 square feet, has been upgraded with kitchen, recessed lighting, copper plumbing. There's also a brand new fence and landscaping.
So come on in and take a look inside. As you can see, we're in the kitchen, and the seller recently upgraded the kitchen to include new recessed lights, as well as granite countertops. You've got a chair rail throughout, and even got an open floor plan with a dining area.
It goes straight out to the backyard, so you can watch your guests as you entertain them on the patio.
So as you can see, we're in the backyard. Now the seller recently upgraded the yard to include a new concrete patio deck, as well as new sod.
That wraps around all the way to the front with a gate so the kids can play safely in the backyard. You have brand new fencing that has been up and no neighbors in the backyard.
I'm here at Cimarron Park, which is only a couple blocks away from the property.
Here, just a couple blocks from the property, is a great plaza with Seafood City, Pho Hoa, Bank of the West, Rite Aid, Happy House, and much, much more. We're here at Ben Painter Elementary School, which has an 827 API score and walking distance to the home.
We're here at William Shepherd Middle School, which is right next to the property.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.